Hello, and welcome to this video. Today, I'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step tutorial on how to connect MailerLite to Duda. It's really easy to get started. If you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log in to your existing account. First, click on the Integrations option, then scroll down and click Here. Scroll again and select Zapier. At the top left corner, click Try It Out. Next, click Add Step, and in the search bar, type Duda, then select it. Go back to the MailerLite setup and complete the Trigger Event option. Sign in to your MailerLite account and complete the test step. Now move on to the Duda setup. Complete the Action Event option, sign in with your email and password, and log in. Finish the configuration and test steps. Finally, click Publish, and you're done. Your MailerLite and Duda accounts are now successfully connected. Thanks for watching.